Hi friends, welcome in this online class of जिजाऊ ज्ञानतीर्थ विद्यालय, पाथरी रोड, परभणी. Friends, in this video we have to see the science of 5th standard. In this, yesterday we have seen the information about the 4th chapter. The name of the chapter is the environmental balance. Okay, so the information about this different place, different plants, animals we have seen in the last video. Today we have to see the next topic. The name of the topic is द एन्व्हायरमेंट. त्यालाच आपण मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतो, पर्यावरण. तर या टॉपिकमध्ये द सराउंडिंग अँड द कंडिशन्स इन दोज सराउंडिंग्स विच अफेक्ट द लाईफ ऑफ द ऑर्गॅनिझम्स देअर आर टुगेदर known as their environment. See, what is meant by environment exactly? The surrounding and the conditions in those surroundings which affect the life of the organism there are together known as the environment. So, environment means the surrounding of that animal and the conditions in those conditions present in the surrounding which affect the life of the organism. These all the conditions, animal and surrounding, all together we known as their environment. It includes many components such as sunlight, air, water, soil, plants and animal. So what is comes or which conditions are come in the surrounding exactly? So in that include many components such as sunlight, air, water, soil, plants and animals. These all are come together in the environment. If the components from the above anyone is changed that directly affect the plants or animals are present in that surrounding. Living and non-living things are dependent on each other. See, this is the most important point. What they say exactly? Living and non-living things are depend on each other. So don't consider like that the non-living things are useless. No, that is wrong. Non-living things are also come in that atmosphere and they are come in our use. So living and non-living things are depend on each other. In our day-to-day life we use number of non-living things for our needs or as our needs. So friends, there is a must remember that living and non-living things are depend on each other. There is a lot of give and take or interaction between them. Okay, there is a interaction in the form of give and take or other constituents or other activities. Environmental science studies these interaction. So friends, environmental science is a subject which deals with the study of the interaction between living and non-living things. So this is about the environment. See the picture on the screen. Look at the picture of the living and non-living thing shown below. Discuss the mutual relationship between these various factors of the environment. On the screen you have seen different factors present in the environment. In that there are some living constituents or organisms and some of them are non-living, but they are live together and help each other because they are depend on each other. See here, first there is a duck. Oh, second one is the grasshopper. See one thing. Now this grasshopper, what is it exactly? See, there is a sunlight and near about that there is a different plants and animals are present. With the help of that sunlight, plant produce their own food. See in there is a sunlight is a non-living, but plants are living. To produce food, these plants use sunlight, and after the production of food, plant use this food in all the parts or supply all the parts of the plant, and they grown up. So there is a grasshopper, elephant, cow, and the caterpillar. These animals use that plant or grass, okay, and survive. From that caterpillar eat by the duck or other birds. Okay, these are very useful. This is a type of a link. See, there is a lake. There is a rain surrounding the lake. The water of that rain comes together into the lake, and in that lake there is a fish, and that fish is survive in that water. There is a living and non-living things in their surrounding. So number of examples like that, in that living and non-living things depend on each other, come together and satisfy or supply our needs. Okay friends, this is about the environment. The next topic we have to take in the next lecture. So friends, we will stop here. Okay, thank you.